I watched all of the videos in YouTube who they are talking about note taking, productivity, time management, and organizing life, blah blah stuffs. I watched every single video and I installed every single application from Google Play Store about note taking and organizing life and capturing instant ideas and jot down thoughts, blah blah stuffs. I literally tried every single thing. So you don't go and do the same thing. Don't watch any videos around note taking and productivity stuffs, and don't install any apps that is free cross platform that is based to organize to capture thoughts in long term and retrieving notes. No, you don't need to do anything because I did every single thing over the last 5 years. I'm using, in this video I'm going to recommend you use these two note taking apps. Don't use any other apps because these two are free. There are no ads in silly ads in UI. It's complete free. It's cross platform syncing with mobile and laptop. So it's UI wise clean. It's robust. I always dive for best UI apps. That app looks very beautiful, but same time that should be fully functional. That should be robust. That should be working across every single device. I dive for this feature. Luckily I end up with this two apps. Yeah, you already know these apps, you already using, you already searching for best note taking app to jot down your thoughts, to dump your thoughts in somewhere, to take notes, the things that you learned, the blah blah stuffs, you looking something you want to take notes. And in case if you want to organize your thoughts, life, blah blah stuffs, I know. That's why I created this video. Use these two apps. Don't use any other apps rather than this, because I literally used every single thing. These two apps are Google Keep, Notion. As I said before, this is free, UI wise looking good, robust. Literally you can do anything. There is no ads, no extra charge. You don't need to be do anything. First let's talk about Google Keep, and next we talk about Notion, because I'm not going to suggest, I will not suggest you don't install any other apps. What do you want more than these apps than Notion and Google Keep? That's what my suggestion, because I'm using these two apps over last 5 years. I'm pretty good experience. But okay, let's talk about one by one. Okay, let's talk about Google Keep first. It's free. It's working on every single platform: Android, iOS, what is this, laptop, PC, Windows, everything. It cross platform. It's syncing. In case if you're taking some notes on your phone, just forget about that. Open your computer, already that out there. That's it. That's This is simple. It's working in offline. In case if you don't recharge your phone, or in case if you no internet, you can jot down your thoughts. You can use tags in case if you're taking notes on productivity, time management, business, learning, mindset, relationship, and whatever your category should be, anything. You can neatly organize your notes. I'm every single time using this, and it's you can take notes in bullets, you can add images, voice notes. Yeah, voice notes is the single thing that's not robust. That's not, it's stucking voice notes. Otherwise Google Keep is nice. You can add colors, you can categorize, you can sync between apps. It is simple, it's lightweight, it's fully functional, UI wise looking good, robust. And you can take notes from Gmail. In case if you're using Google Docs, Gmail, you can take notes from that place from itself. You don't need to be open Google Keep, blah blah steps. You can directly take notes from there as well. You can set notification, in case tomorrow morning 7 a.m. remind me, shoot no YouTube video and send proposal to client, Jordan, my thoughts, blah, blah, something. Or I can create something, checklist or notes I can share with my friend. Recently I created a note, I shared with my friend. I created a 30-day roadmap for my friend. These are the things you should do up by, and if you complete this, you're good. Something. We just collaborated in that Google Notes itself. I entered his what is this email. We start collaborating. you can pretty much do anything. When we are traveling with our friends, we just note down every single thing. Okay, these are the things we purchased, this is the price point, blah, blah. We can share pricing as well. This is working super cool. So simply use Google Keep to jot down your thoughts, something, take organized notes. But when it comes to capturing thoughts, Google Keep is good. Something suddenly you are taking something as a notice, it's good, but it's not. When it comes to organized wise, it's not good. You cannot take very heavy documents, heavy images. You cannot use to organize entirely. To take, in case if you're learning something, you cannot take very in-depth notes. That's why I'm using Notion. I use no Google Keep to capture my thoughts, some ideas. So in case I'm learning something very little small, I'm keeping notes and some quotes, some instant ideas to, and some collaboration. But otherwise, when I'm using my phone, I always use Google Keep. Once I jump in my laptop, I always use Notion because it's working. It's robust, it's free, clean UI. When it comes to Notion, the only problem is you should spend some time to understand the UI. What is document? What is the how I why they are? There is no structure. You can create your own structure. Document inside document, document inside document, document inside, it's going infinite. And the database, and you can track task, you can track project. In case if you learning something, you can take it as a very clean, minimalistic, very structured notes. That's why I'm using Notion to create YouTube video script and track my project, my business stuff. In case I'm learning about productivity, money, and what is this business, LinkedIn, whatever I learn, I capture my thought on Notion because it's working. No other bullshit reasons, no ads in the app, no hidden charges. In case if you working with teams, that time only you should use Notion Pro, I think. Rather than in case if you're individual, Notion is the best. Don't think about Obsidian, don't think about blah blah stuff. They are charging, it's complex. You need to call something blah. I tried n number of apps. I installed Obsidian for 4 times. I uninstalled within after 4 minutes itself. I used the OneNote, Evernote, and a lot of things. I don't remember those stuffs. So Google Notion is working, robust, powerful, cross-platform, syncing between devices. Yeah, you can use Notion in phone, but it's not very powerful. It's a little bit slow, but when in face, it's working fine. No apps cannot beat it. It takes some learning curve only. You should learn. Sit 1 hour. Learn Notion. What is database? What is document? How I can organize my life? It's not life. My thoughts, my learning. Once you set up everything, just spend 1 hour. I can say this is the most valuable 1 hour you wasted in your life, because once you learn Notion how to use it, that's it. You pretty much settled for your entire life. You can take dump your thoughts, you can retrieve your thoughts, you can add whatever you want. So this is my ultimate note taking system. I don't want to deep dive on these two note taking apps. In case if you walking, in case if you watching some videos, suddenly want to jot down your thoughts and you want to collaborate with friends, use Google Keep. And in case if you want to organize your thoughts, organize your notes, the core principle of taking notes is jot down your thoughts, sudden strike the thoughts. And in case if you want to remember something, just note it down. In case if you're learning something, note it down and use that for using in future. That's the purpose of note taking, no other things. So I think these two apps doing this job very well, Google Keep and Notion. Don't think about other apps. The other apps, I'm not thinking about other apps. I already have world's best note-taking apps. Why I need to sit and think about other apps? Blah blah. Blah. UI is looking good, robust, free, cross-platform, syncing with devices. I can collaborate. What I want more than this? That's what my suggestion. So use these two apps. In case if you want to voice note, I use Google Recorder. I just record my voice. It transcribes my voice in real time. This still it's free. Yeah, in your phone, maybe Google Recorder not available. In my phone also not available Google Record. Go on Chrome, search Google Recorder APK. You can install, and it will, you can record your voice plus the transcript. Just share that to Telegram or WhatsApp somewhere and copy paste on. What is this Notion? That's simple. I'm using these three combos. Google Keep, to record my voice I use Google Recorder. It's pretty simple. Yeah, in my phone I have built-in Notes app, built-in Recorder app, but I don't like to use those because I want robust, free, powerful blast stuff. So that's why I'm using these three combo. Google Keep to capture some instant ideas, some collaboration, some checklists, some blah blah stuffs, and to record my voice with live transcribe in offline. It's not online, in offline. I use Google Recorder and Notion to take structured, organized, deep notes. This is pretty much my note taking system. Don't watch other videos around note taking, which app should you use, how to organize. No, just learn Notion. It takes around 1 hour. Spend that, you settle for your life. These three combos is very literally world's best combo. Don't think about others. Don't watch any video or note taking, blah blah stuff. They will confuse you. They till this future, blah blah. It's working fine, cool, free, class. That's it. I hope you like this video. I will catch up you in another video. Until then, I'm AK. Bye.